Hello everyone. Welcome to my new video on the Smart Assistant channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of adjusting the keyboard size on your Samsung Android phone. Whether you find the default keyboard size too small or too large, customizing it to your preferences can significantly enhance your overall typing experience. So, if you're ready, let's get started. First, go into Settings. Now, scroll down, find the General Management option, and tap on it. Once you've done that, locate the Samsung keyboard settings, and enter it. Scroll down again, find the Size and Transparency option, and touch it. Once you've done that, you can adjust the keyboard size as you like. When you're finished, tap Done. Great, you've now changed the size of your keyboard. You can try out your keyboard to see if the size suits you. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you soon.